What do you make of this deal? As I said, the optics and, the way this has happened, just, I don't know, at least on the outside in, sounds just odd.
There's definitely a U.S. interest in keeping a foothold in northern Syria, northeastern Syria. What observers tend to underestimate is the degree to which President Trump just says things that come to his mind that don't necessarily fit into U.S. strategy, such as saying he was going to pull out most of the U.S. forces from northern Syria, which he did last year, which caught everybody in Washington by surprise. And of course, it caught the Kurds by surprise. So then he said, well, we'll keep some troops just to guard the oil. That was nice, but if the goal was to keep northeastern Syria in U.S. hands, as it were, then we wouldn't have pulled the troops out. So we read sometimes a little too much organized strategy into this. I do think the oil company, working with other people in Washington, and of course with the Kurdish semi-autonomous government, did make an arrangement. And it, of course, is to the Kurds' advantage to have a pro-Trump, pro-Republican company involved in this. It helps them get the approval from the U.S. Treasury Department to do the deal, and it gives them sort of a tripwire, so that if Turkey attacks, they're attacking an American company, and then the United States feels it has a reason perhaps to push the Turks back. But again, we don't have the troops in the region to actually push back. The idea is that they would be attacking an American company, and we could apply pressure elsewhere to Turkey, or possibly to Russia, or possibly to Assad.